mucinous tissue, you can see the fluorescence. So go into the pseudo mode. We have something into the axilla.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
So I will also show you the lymphatic. Okay. And there is a tumor in between 9 to 10 o'clock position. It's quite nearer to sternum, close to lateral border of sternum. And there is another lesion just behind that particular tumor. So there are two lesions, multifocal lesions, and there is no obvious lymph node rest. Can give proper shape and aesthetic outcomes by mobilizing, by undermining the skin flaps. So that's called type 1 oncoplasty.
Okay.
When there is an angelic system, they particularly prefer 5 milligram per ml.
I want to show this marking.
Okay.
2.5 milli. So
Let him
we'll
complete.
inject.
We'll wait.
So first I will demonstrate how to inject methylene blue.